Hello Sameers, how are you all? Welcome back to the video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss malware analysis executable. For this, let me join the room, guys. What is the introduction? What is actually happening in this? The town of Wareville remains quiet in the middle of the night, etc. Suddenly, elves receive an email in unison. What is exactly email? From Elf McClaws, they have got an attachment hophelper.exe. This is the executable file or a malware which we are going to see today. We'll go to the machine and try to resolve this. We'll execute this malware and we'll see what exactly this malware affects. Open the VM. This is the local machine. We'll start the lab machine. Start the machine. Let's see. It will take a second to start. Okay, we have got 1 hour to complete our tasks. So this is the expansion one. Okay, if you click on that, will open in a full screen. So now machine has now been started. So this is the folder and this is the hophelper.exe which she got in the email. Hophelper.exe Elf McClaws, from Elf McClaws, this was the file center. This is the virus now. Okay, now we'll not execute this virus yet. First let us open according to this. Let me open the sandbox. Okay, first one, let us answer this question. Check. So 1 is completed. Okay, good. Let us close this. Task is completed. First task. First is done. Okay, let's go to malware analysis using sandbox. Again, this sandbox, guys. So what happens in the sandbox? Not an issue at all. Okay. Point 1. Let us open this PA Studio. All right. Malware initial assessment. So let me open that folder again, and let us try to put drag and drop that malware here. So no, don't double click it, just drag and drop here. Good. Let us minimize this. Good. It's a read only file. So again, go to down here, malware initial assessment, etc. So we have to see the for us at this stage SHA-256. Okay, now we have got SHA-256. This is the encrypted value. What is the first question? What is the SHA-256 sum of the hop help? So right click, copy value. So let us click on check. That's the right answer. What is the SHA-256 sum of hophelper.exe? So we have got it from here. Okay, next one. So within the strings hop helper, a flag exists. What is the flag value? Okay. For that we have to go to strings, guys. Go down here, strings, which is 4194. So there are n number of strings you can get. Okay, just you have to go down at the bottom. You will get internal name, hophelper TLL, legal copyright, and this is the strings found. So this is the answer which we are looking. Okay, copy value. Go here and paste the value. Okay, string found. Let us check. Good. So we have got 16 points. So what is the registry value? Hophelper.exe modified for presence. Now go to rec shot. Go to rec shot. Let us click on yes. Okay. Get the first shot. To let's see. Click on first shot. We have to get the shot. Okay. Click on shot. So it will take a little bit of time based on how much time we have got. Let's see. It will take the snapshot. After this, we'll run our exe file. Okay. If you see here, first we have to get the snapshot. Now that we have taken the snapshot, execute the hophelper.exe. Then we'll execute the hophelper. It is taking time. Okay. Okay. Good. So we have got. It took 45 seconds. It took the screenshot. Now before taking the second shot, let us execute this file. Okay. Now we are actually executing this virus now. Let me double click this virus. Hophelper. You should see some changes here. See, the entire icons have changed. It would have done a lot of, if see, machine has the virus. Okay, click on OK. Now what is the second thing you have to do? Click on the second shot. Let us take the second shot now. Click on shot. It should take a little bit of time. The second shot is over. It only took 5 of time. Now you should get something called compare. Let's see here. Okay, let's click on compare. It has given a snapshot. So values which are modified are 29. So our virus did a lot of modifications here. Now if I go to the questions, what is the next question? Now provide the full path of the key that has been modified. Okay, we have to search for the key. See, this is the key which hophelper had. Okay, let me copy this entire thing. from hop helper. Now let's go here. I'll just give paste, right click, paste. Okay, click on check. That is a full path of what registry value had been modified. If you go here, so this is where the DIFIR user, this is the registry key which it modified. So value added are 6. Okay, now let me minimize this. So let me double click on hop helper.exe. Let me open Procman, click on yes. So I click on the filter. So now I have to go to here, process name .exe. That's the exe file, right? Click on add, click on OK, apply. So there should be lot of things are there. If I expand this, there should be hop helper. All exe files have been added. Okay. Now let us go for one more filter. Okay, we have to see for TCP operations. Okay, now let us go for one more round. We'll see operation is, now we'll put TCP. So operation contains TCP. Click on apply. First let us click on add, click on OK. Now TCP, see TCP, send and receive, everything are there. So find out the output of the Procoman TCP. What is the Procoman here? So it uses HTTP. Okay, let's write HTTP, click on check. So it got answer. Can you find the web panel? So we don't need here, just no answer is here. Click on check. Alright, so if you have enjoyed today's room, feel free to explore both the basic static analysis but basic dynamic analysis. Okay, but for this guys, we have explored hop helper. We have answered the few of the questions of hop helper SHA-256 and we have got the room for quite an amount of time. So this is the virus which was sent hop helper.exe. Okay, once everything is done, you can actually terminate the machine. So go here and you can just close the machine. Machine is on. Now you can terminate the machine. Okay, alright. Hope you like the video guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care, have a great day, bye bye.